So in this video we are going to replace this palm rest with keyboard and mouse. It's a HP computer. I will definitely give you the model number. Right, so we have a problem here. Let me show you. And it's the laptop is kind of unable for us to close the laptop properly. So it is TPN 1133. This is the laptop model. As you can see here, we have a huge issue here. I have already started removing some of the screws in the back cover, those 4 screws. So definitely the problem is the hinges are affected. So because of this, we can't operate the hinges properly. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this back cover off, and then we are going to make the changes. So as you can see, you need to remove the CD drive or DVD drive. You want to remove these 2 screws there. There might be some screws under this strip. I would have to really test the back cover to know. I'll be doing that now. So guys, there are screws underneath those strips. Let me show you. There's one here, and I'll already remove this one. So let's see. So let's see if we can take the back off. All the screws are removed. So I'm going to see if I can take the back off. So guys, as you can see, the back is now off. And I want to show you where we have the damage. Here is where we have all the damage here. You can see where the hinges are not holding. And because of that, we have to change the whole palm rest area, including the keyboard and the mouse. We could have transferred them over. So what I am going to be doing here, I'm going to ensure that I have the correct part. So it's very good to ensure that you have the correct part before proceeding. So guys, we do have the correct. Everything is looking exactly identical. So yeah, we're going to transfer all the parts. I'm going to set up a tripod, and I'm going to transfer all the parts. Also, this one is a screen. This one is a data cable screen. We're going to remove charging ribbon. So those are removed. So what we need to do, we need to just take out all the screws for the motherboard. We need to So just like that, we removed everything just like that. I noticed that this keyboard do have a backlight. So we forget to remove the charging port. So here we go. We need to take out these screws. As you can see here, we need to take those out. Hey, what's up? So we have one on the other side. So here you have the screws and the nuts. So what we can do now, we can put this in place like that, and we have this to install, which is the charging port. We want to try to install this first, like right here. Then we bring this down. So that's how we do it. Then all we have to do is just put the screen, all we have to do is to put the motherboard in. So we are going to connect back this ribbon for the screen, and then we have this ribbon here for the port. As you can see, yeah, we do have some slight damage here. So we are going to do a test to see if everything is functional. And we still need to take our time opening this laptop because one of the screws missing due to the 4 screws that I talked about. This one has to go in from the back cover along with this one here, as you can see. So it's this one, this one, and this one. So yeah, it's looking brand new. We're going to try and turn on. So normally this will comes up because we unplugged the battery. So we need to hit enter and restart.